Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to uninstall your League of Legends from your Riot client. So I'm going to show this in the MacBook version. So there's going to be another version for Windows since I'm using MacBook. So here you're going to want to quit your Riot client actually. So go to the top right or top left corner and actually quit your League of Legends client or your Riot client first. And then you want to go to your Finder, which is this. And then you want to actually go to the library and go to users and start. So here you want to look for your Riot games. So it's going to be library, application support, and then Riot games, and you want to delete that. And then once you delete that, I want you to restart your own MacBook. So just press restart right here, and then it should be done. So just empty your trash bin also while you're at it so that it will uninstall. And then there you go. That is how you uninstall League of Legends from your Riot client basically. So if this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.